guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're done with another month. February is now over, so we're going to do a monthly review and see where we're at. Okay guys, jumping here into Melanie's account. We are on the realized loss gain. We're going to enter a date here, February beginning and end date. So we have February 1st through February 28th. I'm just going to hit search here. And so looking at Melanie's account for February, we have a total proceeds of $12,415.91. Cost basis $11,311. We have a total gain of $1,104.91, a 9.49% return. So we'll update our sheet. So again, for Melanie's account, we have 12,415.91. Cost basis $11,311. Total gain $1,104.91 at 9.49%. So let's look at our weekly call sheet and see what our current account total is sitting at. And looking what our current account was, Mel is sitting at $8,671.49. Now I'll just go ahead and update mine at $9,125.25. Okay guys, jump into my account from February 1st through February 28th. We have a total proceeds of $9,979.21. Cost basis $8,313. A gain of $1,666. Oh, I don't know about that number. And 21 cents and 19.10% gain. So let's update our sheet. Okay guys, so we do have this updated. Total of $9,979.21 in proceeds. Cost basis $8,313 and a gain of $1,666.21. And for the month, we have a total gain of $2,771 at 28.59%. So if we compare this or add this to last month's. Okay guys, we have February updated. Total proceeds between the two accounts $22,395. Cost basis $19,624. Total gain of $2,771.12. It's a 28.59% gain. Count total currently $17,796.74. So one thing I want to say so people don't get confused, when it says total proceeds and cost basis, we don't have 22,000. Basically, if you buy a stock for 5,000 and then you sell it for 6,000, you have a total of $6,000. But if you buy stock again with that same money for another 5,000, that means your total proceeds would have been 10,000. So this is just here to kind of give us the baseline of how much total we gained. So these numbers will always be high, but these don't really have any bearing on the account. Our totals, gain and loss and percent is mainly what I'm looking at. So if we take kind of a closer look, we have a total $3,604.54 since we started this account, and we have a total gain averaged over 2 months of 29.63%. And we first started this account with $14,192. Is currently at $17,960, $17,796.74. A total gain of $3,604.54. And guys, I just want to say, this month I've had a lot of conversations with people, and I know people out there are struggling. I mean, people, it's hard, in this life, especially if you don't know anything. I always look back, and the reason I kind of started this entire journey myself was, I've worked in 2 jobs my entire life. by the time I turned 40, I look back and my account was the same as it was when I was 18. And I'm like, how is that? How is that possible that someone can work for 20, 25 years and still have the same amount as when they first started working? And that's the thing, guys. You just got to understand that, sometimes it's no one's fault. It's not our parents' fault. They may not have known. We pick up a good work ethic. We work hard. But the thing we got to understand is that we have to take care of our own finances. No one's going to help you. You are the one responsible. This can be done. Look at what we started at little under 15,000. So even if your goal was to save 15,000, I think that's attainable by everyone. Everyone can save 15,000. But a lot of people, I think, sometimes give up because they feel like they can never get anywhere. Well, guys, you got to build a plan. Build out a little plan. You could follow these videos. It shows you from the beginning on how to open the Roth. Start there. Open a Roth and just start. And the thing about this is, once you start it, your subconscious will naturally start helping you. Everything, we don't realize how much we really know until we start. And once you start that, you'll start to see that there are ways that you'll just start finding out, and you'll start changing your life for the better. It all starts with literally, you got to write down goals. Your goals, you can write down long-term and short-term, but once you have the goals, then you have a vision and you know what you got to do. And you're not going to think, well, I may as well just go to the store and spend all my money, or just go out and spend all my money, because you already know where that money's going to go. Without those goals, you're not going to know where it's going to go. So guys, if you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. If you're subscribed already, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hitting the notification bell will alert you anytime I put a video out. Right now it's mainly one time a week, but every now and then I'll throw in a video if I think there's something of value that I've seen that can help other people. So again, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you for next month's review.